Here's the easiest way to insert image into shape in Photoshop. First of all, go to your Photoshop and create a new project. And now it's time to make shapes here. So in this left hand menu, just click on this little arrow icon for shape. And here we can see a bunch of different shapes are available. So let's select this ellipse tool. And I'm going to drawing a shape here. And now just click on this fill color box and let's select a color for the shape. And stroke, make sure to disable stroke for the shape. Okay, once the shape successfully added, now it's time to insert images to this shape. To do that, I'm going to opening my image first of all. So let's open this image in Photoshop. Once the image successfully imported, now just click on the image and simply drag the image and put the image into this shape project. And here we can see the image added. Now all you have to need, make sure to put the image layer above this shape layer. Now just right click on your image layer and here click on create clipping mask, and its keyboard shortcut is Alt+Ctrl+G. And here we can see the image has been successfully added in the shape. And now click on the selection tool, press Ctrl+T, and now using this resize option, you will be able to easily resize your image just like so. You can also drag the image to change image position and just click on done.